You nice and awake? Good morning, Chayan. There she is. Are you sleepy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody's so sleepy today. One more day and then weekend. Okay,
Yes.
are we ready to do some work? We can finish the work quickly and then we finished. Okay, we can pick off where we left yesterday. Where were we? Here. Page 132. Exam CB. Okay. And on this page, we are talking about when matter loses energy. Okay. So that means it just goes from one kind of matter to a different kind of matter. Okay. How many kinds of matter do we have? Yeah, 3 kinds of matter. And what are they? What are the 3 kinds?
Liquid.
Solid, liquid, and gas. That's right. And we learned about melting. Melting, it goes from what? From a solid to a liquid. And evaporate, it goes from a liquid to a gas. Now we're going to do 2 more. Freeze and condense. Okay. Let's do a little bit of reading and then I'll explain it for you guys. Who wants to read this first one? Let's start with Nayang. Can you read the first one for us?
Heterogeneous energy from matter can also be low energy material with elasticity with any change its state.
Okay, remember changing its state? It's just changing the kind of matter. Kind. So it just goes from one kind to another. Oh, that looks ugly. Okay, and the next one, Yejin, can you read it for us?
A liquid will freeze if it loses enough heat energy. This means the liquid changes to the solid.
Okay, and the last one, Yunsa, can you read it for us?
A gas will condense if it loses enough heat energy. This means that the gas changes to a liquid.
Okay. I'm going to write in the corner here. Change in states. That just means changing kinds of matter. Okay. The first one is melting. And melting, it goes from a what to a what? Eat an ice cream?
Solid is into liquid.
Yes, a solid into a liquid. Solid to liquid. If you eat an ice cream and you go outside and it's very hot, it will melt. And it goes from a solid ice cream to a liquid. And then we have evaporate. And evaporate goes from? On page 131. Begsam sheep eel.
Into a gas.
Yes. Liquid to gas. That's how we get the water cycle. If we have a river or the ocean, the sun shines on the ocean, makes it hot, and then little water droplets rise up to make clouds. That is evaporation. And we have freezing. Freezing goes from a what to a what?
Liquid to solid.
Yes. Liquid to solid. If we put water in the freezer, it turns to ice. That is freezing. And then the last one we have, condense. And that goes from?
Gas to liquid.
That's right.
To liquid.
Gas to liquid. Okay. What is solid in Korean again?
고체.
고체. That's 고체 to 액체. 액체 to
기체.
기체. And 액체 to 고체. 기체 to 액체.
Yes.
Okay. Do you guys want to write this down in your textbooks
Yes.
so that you can remember it? In the test, I'm going to ask you, what is freezing? And then you need to say liquid to solid. Can everybody see this okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and then let me know when everybody is finished. Yinsa looks finished. Yejin looks finished. Does anyone have a birthday in May?
나요.
Ah, Naing's birthday in May.
May
What date
2nd.
in May?
나연 생일 지나지 않았어?
The 22nd?
Two.
Ah, okay. And the 22nd is on a Friday. Okay.
No. Just second.
Oh, the 2nd. Oh, it's gone already.
Yeah.
Okay, it was last week Saturday. Okay, happy birthday for the second, Nayeon.
Yeah.
나도 한 달 있으면 생일이야.
나는 얼마나 기다려야 되는 거야? 늦게 태어.
Is everybody finished?
Yes.
Shane, are you finished?
Yeah.
And Youngin, are you finished? Okay. Do we all know what evaporation is? Evaporation. Do you know the water cycle?
Yes.
So when the water vapor goes up into the sky, evaporation. Okay, see, if the lake gets very hot, if the sun shines on the lake, it makes the water hot, and then all the water vapor goes up into the sky like this. What is evaporation in Korean?
증발.
Okay. So that is going from a liquid to a gas. Okay. And condensation is what happens after evaporation in the water cycle. When we make clouds.
Yes.
Or this that you see on your window, going from a gas to a liquid. Let's see if we can
인절.
find the cloud one. What is it called in Korean?
인절.
Okay. Here's the cloud one. There we go. Okay, so we get evaporation, goes up, and then the gas turns into a liquid, and then we get rain. Okay, so number 4, easy peasy. When matter freezes, it turns from a
내가 알아서 입어.
from a
Liquid.
to a goes from a liquid to a solid.
Solid.
Yeah, we just did the answer over here. Like the little girl having ice lolly. They took some juice, poured it into a little container, put it in the freezer, and it makes it ice. It's nice to have on a hot day. Okay, I'm going to take everything off the page.
Yes.
And let's go to the next page. Oh, it's the last one. Okay. Who wants to read this for us? Who's feeling brave? Okay, let's go. Yejin, can you read it for us?
On a cool morning, small droplets
Of water.
water may form on grass and other objects. These water droplets are called dew. Dew forms when water vapor in the air touches a cool object. The water vapor loses heat energy and condenses to form liquid water.
Okay. So, what is this called? The dew. If it's going from a gas to a liquid? What is it called? Gas to liquid?
Condense.
Yes, condense. So this is condensation, forming dew on the spider's web. Water droplets is just tiny little water droplets. And water vapor is when water turns to a gas. So water vapor is just water to gas. Water in a gas form, okay? See if I can find a nice picture. Water vapor. So that's how water vapor looks. It's like steam. You get water vapor, and then it turns into a liquid, and then it forms dew. Have you seen this on grass? If it's cold in the morning and you come to school and then you see the little water droplets on grass, have you seen that? Yeah. That is called dew. Dew, okay. When there's little water droplets on the grass or on your window, on the car window in the morning. Okay. Okay, freezing and condensing, and how are they the same? How is freezing and condensing different? Freezing goes from a
Liquid into solid.
Solid.
liquid to solid.
Solid.
Yes. Condensing goes from
Liquid to gas. 아니다. Gas to liquid.
yes, other way around. Gas to liquid. And how are they the same? They are both changing kind of matter. So they are both kinds of matter that changes. Remember, kind also means state. So the state of matter, same as kind of matter. Okay, everybody finished?
Yes.
Yeah. Is that lesson 1? Yeah. Okay. How many kinds of matter do we get?
3 kinds of matter.
3 kinds of matter. What are they?
Solid, liquid,
Solid,
gas.
liquid, gas.
Solid, liquid, and gas. And how can we measure matter? How can we measure? If I want to see how much matter is in my body,
Use.
I can stand on something and then it shows me a number. What is that called in Korean?
저울. 저울.
You just Scale.
Yeah, that's it. So, a scale. This is how we measure matter. If I want to see how much matter is in an apple, I put the apple on the scale and it tells me how much matter. And what are the properties of matter? Properties. How do we describe matter? There's different properties. If I want to describe my TV, I say my TV is a rectangle. What is a rectangle? It's a shape.
Yes.
Here we go. The properties of matter: taste, color, size, mass, shape, smell, feel, sound. What is taste in Korean?
But is not.
Okay. And color in Korean?
색깔.
And size in Korean?
크기.
And mass in Korean?
아 이거
지.
Jeya.
질량.
Jiya. And shape in Korean?
모양.
셀프는
모양.
Uya. And smell in Korean?
냄새.
And feel in Korean?
감정.
뭐나.
And sound?
느낌. 소리.
소리.
셀프 is 종류.
Jongyu.
모양.
Uya.
예. 모양.
Okay. So those are all the properties of matter. And that's how we describe matter and talk about it. Okay. And a solid. One example of a solid. What would you say is a solid?
book.
Yeah, a book, a pen, a wall, or a chair, or a table. What is one example of a liquid?
water.
Water, or milk, or honey.
Yes.
And one example of a gas.
oxygen.
Yes. What we breathe in into our lungs, it is oxygen. It's a gas in the air. Can we see the air?
No.
No, you can't see it. Can you feel the air?
Yes.
Yes. If it's very windy, you can't see the wind, but your hair will blow and your clothes will blow. You can't see it, but you can feel it. Okay. What change of matter is a solid to a liquid?
No.
It melts. Yes,
Yeah.
Yajin. Solid to a liquid is melting. What is a liquid to a gas?
condense.
A liquid to a gas?
evaporate.
Evaporate. Yes, Yinso. Evaporate. Liquid to a gas. What is a gas to liquid?
condense.
Condense. That's it. And what is a liquid to a solid?
Freeze.
freeze.
Freezing. Yeah, when it gets very cold. Okay, so you guys know most of it. Youngin, do you know it? It's all good? Do you guys have any questions?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. So tomorrow for our class. We're going to do page 111 in our high-end tech. But I want you to try this for homework.
No.
If you can. If you can, I want you to try it for homework.
What?
That's page 113 in your white books.
Yeah.
Okay.
어디?
Then I will give you the answers tomorrow. It's okay if you don't know, because it could be a little bit difficult. Okay, but for this one's here, it should be easy because I gave you the answers. Gas to liquid, liquid to gas, solid to liquid. You should know all of that. Okay, and then I will see you guys tomorrow, grade 5s.
Yes.
Have a very good day.
Yeah.
Bye. Say bye to everyone.
야, 원래 40분까지 하는 거 아니야?
See you tomorrow, guys. What you say, Youngin?
응.
It's okay.